Tara here from ABI Interiors, and today I'm about to take you through Encanto. Now this project, as the name suggests, takes inspiration from Spanish design and weaves it with Australian contemporary aesthetics. It's informed by organic architecture and has a really warm, inviting palette. I'm just so excited to show you inside. Let's go check it out. Now, as soon as you step in the front door, you can see what I mean when I was talking about the organic architecture. The hallway from upstairs above us is forming this sculptural-like ceiling that then opens up into the void and into the living. We'll get there in a second, but first I have to show you this sitting area. This space is just so inviting, and there's a reason to that. You'll notice along all the walls here, there are no sharp edges. It's all curved on every corner. Just feels like you're being wrapped in the space. So here we have the guest wing, which comes with its own bathroom, and I love how the mosaic squares follow through all the way to that high ceiling there. It's very impactful. And in we go to the kitchen, living and dining. Now this is an architectural feature that I'm seeing a fair bit, and I do find it quite effective, is stepping the ceiling down over the living room. Just creates a more cozy feel. And then the voids open up above the kitchen and dining. It just feels so grand. And even though it's open plan, you still feel like each section sort of has its own place and its own feel. We have to talk about this kitchen. Oh my gosh, the Travertine. The fluted Travertine along the front bench tops, the Travertine up here, even on the range hood. Just using that one stone across all these areas just creates such an impact. This kitchen really does feel like a piece of art, and I love that it's just topped off with the brushed brass, a little sparkle, and then it's balanced out with those two sconces off to the right there. Just great design. Now tucked behind here, there is a butler's and also a laundry. Let's head upstairs. So first up we have the master. We've got a sitting room, a little parents to retreat off to my right. And how gorgeous is this? I love the rendered wall, the pendant lights, and the styling in here is just so autumnal. It's really cozy. But if you think this is nice, wait till you see this. This has got to be the wardrobe to end all wardrobes. There's just so much storage. And then look at that bath. This curved wall makes this bath just the hero of the entire home. It just feels so special, so luxurious. This whole ensuite is just so generously sized, and I love the use of this small square mosaic tile. It wraps all of these walls here, and even up and over this arch, it just feels like a hotel. You've got a vanity on one side, a vanity on the other, a shower tucked behind this side. What a space. So on the other side of upstairs, you've got two bedrooms down the end, a main bathroom in the middle. And I love the way the curves of the architecture just lead you into each space, like it is right now, into this final bedroom. Just like that seating area right below us, the first one we saw when we came in the house, this whole wall wraps the length of the room. There are no sharp corners. And then you've got the ensuite just through there with those same finishes following through from the other bathrooms. And out we go to the outdoor entertaining. We've got a pool out here with a nice angular shape, Travertine crazy paved flooring, keeping nice and consistent with the rest of the house, and an outdoor barbecue kitchen area. Well, I've loved this tour of Encanto. Sabdia Constructions have truly created something unique here in Brisbane. I love the use of playing with organic shapes. It informs this fluid architecture that is just so inviting. I hope you guys have liked it just as much as I have. We'll see you next time.
you.